up guys, you watching another video. It's gonna be a different vlog than usual, huh?
It's your boy here back again with another.
We out here, we're at Huntington Beach right now. We're meeting up with all the PQ guys. Everyone's here, I think. Like literally Jay, Andy, all the PQ guys. I don't know what we're gonna do today. Literally it's Sunday, there's no car stuff happening. Everyone's at the beach today. I thought I'd just meet up with them and see what we do today. I don't know what we're gonna do. I literally don't even know where they are either. A lot of you guys have been wanting me to film more lifestyle stuff too anyway, so I thought I'd pull up, bring the camera with me. Maybe tonight we'll go do some car stuff too, but we'll see. Please, dude. I'm always the only one not drinking, guys. Look at Jay. Damn!
Nick, why are you wearing Jordans at the beach?
There's no way. There's no way, bro. That was a random mom? That was someone's mom. Whose mom is that?
Say I won't take her car right now.
No, bro. We got in trouble, guys.
Can I take a last sip?
She made him empty all the alcohol. There's nothing.
Nah, you don't dig yourself up a hole.
What is going on, bro?
Let's go.
But you can't come back here again, right?
He said you can't come back anymore.
No, I can't take you. No.
So she came to tell him that they can't have alcohol on the beach. She made us dump it all out. And now they're helping her. Get out. He said, I'm gonna push you out, but you can't come back, okay?
Oh my god.
He said you can't come back?
Yeah, he's like, don't come back. Good shit.
I was this close.
Bro, hide it. Put that down.
Round two.
Tonight, pull up.
I am you with my baby daddy.
Bro, look at this sunset. Me trying to come up with lifestyle to talk about. You got Nico here and the GTR. Bro, our cars look sick. That's how my cars are gonna look together. My GTR and my F80. I cannot wait.
I know.
That shit's gonna be sick of both my cars someday. Next week, hopefully. Anyways, we're about to get ice cream right now. And I think we're going to a Carmeet tonight. Like always, Carmeet, new Carmeet every day. Damn, our cars look really good. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know which one looks better, guys. F80 or GTR? Comment down below. Nico's GTR or my F80? Both on TEs too. Fun fact, I love ice cream, bro. Why is this little kid crying? And this little kid stopped messing on my shot? Not just kidding. We got Rocky Road, we got Mint Chip. That shit bomb. Damn, we really both on T's, guys. I kind of want to get T's for my GTR. I also want to wrap them both the same color too. Imagine the same color GTR as the F80 and same wheels, everything.
Yeah, what'd you get?
Ice cream.
What kind? That looks gross.
Putting gas in for me.
Hey, $65 again?
65 bucks, bro. I need to get my car in 85. 85? I think it fills up like 40 bucks. David fills up his F80. I'm done putting expensive gas. Oh, we're also at Arco. Nico yelled at me for putting Arco gas in my F80, guys. Who else like only picks specific gas stations to put gas in your car? I should went to Shell or like Chevron or something, but hey, I'm on a budget right now. We gotta pay for transmissions out here.
Put this gas in my
Just
car.
put a little bit of this in
No!
there.
It's gonna make my car slower.
Probably, honestly. All right, we're gonna head to the Carmeet. We're like 10 minutes away. Let's go.
Yes, let's go.
We made it to the Carmeet. Look what we parked next to. We got a sick ass G80 right here. We got my F80 right behind it. It's pretty dark in this parking lot, which kind of sucks. You can't see the cars, but we got Nico's GTR. We got Andrew's Mustang. It's a little lineup right here. This G80 is beautiful, bro.
Bro, this is what.
Shit is
bro, I need
wet.
those seats.
Yeah, those seats, these wheels.
G80s are
This one's insane, bro. Oh yeah, you got the carbon buckets. Must be nice. I know. Maybe.
For a G80?
That was the plan, you know? Like keep that F80 for a bit, trade in for a G80 later. But eventually, guys, we might trade in that F80 for a G80. These just need a drop in price. It's too expensive right now.
Wait, you got the stock wheels?
No.
Oh, I was gonna say.
Keep them for the G80?
Yeah,
that
bro,
would be sick,
these
huh?
would look so good on it, bro.
I know, that would look crazy.
Oh my god, no one hasn't done it in that size.
I know.
Hey, we outside, Red Bull boys.
That's a Red Bull? Bro, I need Red Bull, guys. I have not been sleeping the past couple days. Low key,
bro.
We're having a party here, bro. Where are we at? I should say, I feel like this meet's gonna get a little crazy at the end. I can just tell by the floor. There's donut marks, there's burnout marks. And then the variety of cars here definitely looks like it's gonna get a little crazy. Watch. Well, this is pretty sick, guys. Look at this Supra. All blacked out with the carbon hood. I wish there was better light at this Carmeet. It's hard to see the cars.
It is. You can't even see anything, but the hood's fire.
The hood is sick. Well, look at that. There's already cops. There's no way, bro.
Oh, this is so ratchet.
It's ratchet?
It's ratchet.
Oh my god, this means completely shut down, guys. Police helicopter, 2 police cars. Damn, look at E36. A convertible E36 with the wing. I've never seen that before. Look at the song they're playing.
Look at this. This right here. I want this.
This?
This right here.
This is fire.
Fire right
here. The little RC. Uh-oh. Well, this meet might be shut down, guys. I had a feeling this location was gonna get shut down fast. God damn, what's going on over here? Well, they're doing burnouts and they do not even care that there's cops everywhere. I think it was a motorcycle.
We're in the hood. I don't even know where we're at.
This shit looks hella long.
It looks extended.
This looks like one of them dogs,
convertible.
sausage dogs.
Bro, I've never seen a convertible with the wing, guys. These foods are wild, dude. The cops are literally over there, dude.
Wait, do it again. I didn't film it. Do it again.
That was a fat ass burnout, bro. Look at the floor, guys, from that last burnout.
Smoking.
It's still smoking. That shit was like 5 minutes ago.
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground. Oh shit! Nick! Oh shit! This food!
Alright, guys, second location now. This one has way better lighting, so you actually can see the cars. Let's see what we see.
Takeover cars.
Yeah, Loki is about to take over cars on.
Yeah.
They look like they about to get crazy.
Yeah, and Brad,
hopefully cops don't pull
If
up.
anybody's about to get crazy, it's about to be deep.
What is it, MR2?
Oh, hey,
It's pretty sick.
Nick.
What? Ooh, G80. That shit hard. Look at the lip. It's pretty sick. This would be like a color I want. It just stands out so much, bro. Look at this vet, guys. She got a hole in the hood. That's crazy. Damn. That shit hella sick. What the? She got a nitrous bottle in the bag. Damn. What the? I feel like you never see Lotuses, bro. But it's so small. It looks like a little go-kart. My GTR?
Looks like your GTR.
It does, huh? Oh my god, there's cops again, dude. 370? That shit hard.
I'm from the Bay, and this shit is like the Bay right now. This
It
shit
feels like the Bay right now, huh?
Look, it's an Uber.
No way is it Uber. This shit clean, bro. Is it an M3? I'll buy it.
FindingNick.
What's up, bro? I want another one, guys. Hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. Like I said in the beginning, there was so much. Oh my god damn. What's up? Let's do it. Like I said, guys, there wasn't much car things happening today, but this is the only thing we found. So I'm trying to get the best content I can.
No, this shit's lit.
Some people might think it's lit, but oh my god, bro! God damn, that shit was loud. Well, that's a Lexus. What the heck? There's a Super here, guys. This shit's sick. Just throw some different wheels on it. That shit would be perfect. Oh, a new one. Both Supras are here. God damn, who's shooting flames over here? Everyone's running. Oh, they stopped as soon as I got here. Everyone's all waiting. But that was insane. What is going on? Literally just did a random two-step battle. Hey guys, this is insane. Look how many people are out here. What's up, bro? What's up? What's up? Yo! Oh shit! No way, bro. God damn, that shit is loud. Everybody's just revving at this point, guys. Over here, over there, back there. Where we at?
I don't even fucking know, bro. We're like somewhere in the middle of nowhere.
I was just trying to go to the liquor store, bro.
Bro, literally, man, I don't know where I'm at.
It's like a gun's just going off.
Bro, literally, there's no car sound. It's just gunshots going on. What car is that? God damn. Bro, they sound like gunshots. I think it was G35. That is ridiculous, bro. It's so loud, bro. It's echoing in there too.
That shit hurts.
That actually hurts. There's that clean E36. It looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. It looks really good. BBS is too. What's up, bro? What's up, bro? Bro, this is wild. What is going on? God damn, that shit is actually insane. Bro, they're literally like little gunshots. Everyone has these gunshot little tunes, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I probably lost a little bit of my hearing tonight. 100%. Clean, bro. I saw this one at the meet the other day. Another force? What the? If you guys are enjoying the vlog, smash the like button. I know this content isn't for everybody, but it's cool to mix it into the vlog sometimes. I try to film a variety of everything, guys. You guys see me. I come to like Lambo car meets, supercar car meets, exotic car meets, hypercars, BMW content, GTR content, and then sometimes I squeeze some of this content in there. I understand it's not for everyone, but I'm just here just filming some cool content for you guys. Again, I don't condone this stuff. I'm just here filming, bro. Whether I was here or not, this shit's gonna be happening. I think this is like a little better than taking over like a whole intersection or something like that. That is where it gets like stupid, you know? But this is like in a parking lot. Most of the businesses are closed, so I don't know.
Make it quick, let's go!
King of the streets.
Make it quick!
No way he does it with the helicopter.
Hell yeah, he's going to.
That's wild, bro.
Oh, he has no bars.
Holy fuck.
Uh-oh. He's going to jail.
There's no.
He's definitely going to
He's
jail.
going to jail? There's no way,
He's going
bro.
to jail.
Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no.
That's embarrassing.
There's no way. The police helicopter's literally right there, too.
Oh yeah, this guy's going to jail. Oh, he's not. Shit, get away from this.
Oh
Nigga,
my
look at that.
God, bro.
That's a Black Widow. Oh, hell no.
But alright, guys, I think I'm gonna call it a night. This ain't gonna end well.
I think we gotta go. We came here from the liquor store.
No way, bro. Nico, watch out, watch out, watch out!
Fuck you.
Bro, that's a big ass spider, bro. Man, that bet's sick. C6? I still want one, guys.
Oh, he's going to jail, bro.
He's going to jail, huh? Look, the cop, the helicopter just keeps following him.
What's bro? You got no bars. Bro, he's fucked. Get out of the way, bro.
Oh, he's fucked. He's fucked, bro. Look at him.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.